Today experiment is gain, directivity and beam width of a 3-element Yagi-Uda antenna. This is our Yagi-Uda antenna, 3-element Yagi-Uda antenna. This is feed is 1 centimeter. Now transmitting frequency is 600 MHz and receiving frequency is 600 MHz. So wavelength lambda is equal to C by F. C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second. So lambda or wavelength is equal to 50 centimeter. Now transmitting antenna is always a dipole antenna. Use this dipole antenna and the antenna length is lambda by 2 or 25 centimeter. Feed is 1 centimeter. This is our transmitting antenna. Feed is 1 centimeter and each side is 12 centimeter and other side is 12 centimeter. Total is 25 centimeter. Now the receiving antenna, that is Yagi-Uda antenna, 3-element Yagi-Uda antenna. This is feed is also 1 centimeter and this is reflector, driven element and director. The Yagi-Uda antenna consists of two types of element. One is active element and other is parasitic element. Active element direct connected to the cable and others element is not connected to the directly to the wire. Only driven element is active element and other reflector and director is parasitic element. Reflector and director is parasitic element and only one driven element is active element. This is our reflector. Reflector length is 0.55 lambda. This is our driven element. Driven element length is 0.5 lambda and this is our director. Director length is 0.4 to 0.45 lambda. Now in this case director is 0.4 lambda. Now reflector length 0.55 into 50, that is 27.5 centimeter and driven element is 0.5 into 50, that is 25 centimeter and director is 0.4 into 50, that is 20 centimeter. Now measuring this antenna element, that is reflector element is feed is always 1 centimeter. So 27 centimeter minus 1 centimeter, that is 26.5 centimeter. 13.25 centimeter in this both side, 13.25 centimeter and each side 13.25 centimeter. This is our reflector and this is our driven element. Driven element length is 25 centimeter. This is inside is 12 centimeter and this side is 12 centimeter. Feed is 1 centimeter and last one is reflector. Director length is 20 centimeter. This side is 9.5 centimeter and this side is 9.5 centimeter. Feed is 1 centimeter. Total length is 20 centimeter. Now feed this antenna in receiver side, receiving side, that is receiving antenna, and this is our elevation plot. And this is our RF transmitter, RF receiver and stepper motor controller. Now note down this value, that is angle 0 dB, 0 degree angle, and gain is 56.3. Elevation plot, first reading angle 0 degree and gain is 56.6. 56.6. Now press up button, that is 10 degree. Now gain is 55.3. 55.3. Now press up button, that is 20 degree. 52.7. 52.7. Now press up button, that is 30 degree. 51.5. 51.5. Now press up button, that is 40 degree. This is 50.5. 50 degree. That is 50.5. Press up button, that is 49.5. Press up button, that is 49. Press up button, 80 degree, that is 49.4. Press up button, that is 90 degree. 48.1. 48.1. Press up button, that is 100 degree. 47.8. 47.8. Press up button. 46. 46. Press up button, 120 degree. 43.6. 43.6. 130. 43.6. 140 degree. 47.6. 48.3. 48.3. 160. 47.6. 47.6. 47.9. 46.9. 190 degree. 46.2. Now 200 degree. 48. 210 degree. 50.5. 220 degree. 51.1. 230 degree. 52.5. 40 degree. 53.6. 250 degree 54.8, 260 degree 55.4, 56.8, 57.5, 290 degree 57.6, 300 degree 58, 310 degree 58, 320 degree 57.2, 330 degree 57.4, 340 degree 56.6, 350 degree 55.5, 55.5. This all reading as elevation plot reading. Now set azimuth plot. The transmitting antenna is horizontally direction and receiving antenna also horizontal direction, and set the 0 degree. Transmitting and receiving antenna, both antenna in horizontal direction, that is azimuth plot. Now 0 degree, set the 0 degree angle, and the gain is 52.2, 52.2, 0 degree gain is 52.2. Now press up button. This is 10 degree reading, 51.8, 51.8, press up button. That is 50.7, 50.7, press up button. This is 50.1, press up button. This is 49.6, 49.6, press up button. This is 49.50, this is 50, press up button. This is 49.2, 49.2, press up button. 70 degree, 48.2, 48.2, and press up button. That is 48.4, 48.4. Now press up button, that is 90 degree. 47.3, 47.3. Now press up button, that is 100 degree. 100 degree. 46.3, 46.3. Now press up button, that is 110 degree. 43.6, 43.6. 120 degree, that is 42.4, 42.4. Now 130 degree. 41, 41. 140 degree, that is 39.6, 39.6. 150 degree, that is 37.2, 37.2. 160 degree, that is 36.4, 36.4. 170 degree, that is 31.5, 31.5. Now 180 degree. 29, 30. Now 190 degree. 190 degrees. 30, 32. 200 degree is 20. 210 degree. 210 degrees. 30. 220 degree. 220 degrees. Also 37. 230 degree is 36. 240 degree, 42.7. 250 degree, 43. 260 degree, 46.6, 46.6. 46.9, 46.9. 280 degree, 49.3, 49.3. 290 degree, 50. 300 degree, 50.4, 0.4. 310 degree, 310 degree. 50.4, 50.4. 320 degree, 51.1, 51.1. 330 degree, 51.6, 51.6. 340 degree, 52.4, 52.4. and last reading 350 degrees 52.5, 52.5, and all are calculation. This is mean gain, and this is modified gain. Modified gain means gain minus mean gain. All modified gain is negative. And plot this graph paper. This is angle 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree, and so on. And this angle, this position is gain -2, -4, and -6. This is gain axis. And plot this graph. This graph is called polar graph paper.